Hello everyone, with warm welcome. Today's topic is local technology. There are introduction, importance and some common technologies or local technologies of Nepal. At first, we'll start from introduction. We need to learn the definition of technology. Technology refers to the application of practical science in human life from household to the industry and so on. It refers to the application of the practical science in our human life from houses and household to industry, factories and so on. The technology which are made by using local materials and used by our ancestors is called local technology. The technology which are made by using local things or materials and used by our ancestors means like elders, like our grandparents and parents is called local technology. Or local technology refers to the technology that has been developed and used locally. It refers to the technology that has been developed locally and used locally is also the definition of local technology. There are two local technology definitions, but you can choose any one from this. There are the 3 points of the introduction of local technologies and technology. In the next slide, there is the importance of local technology. They are useful in pumping water, plugging field, cooking food, etc. They are helpful in making houses, constructing bridges, making ropes, and so on. They help people to adapt in natural environment. They do not have negative impact on environment. They are the base for development of modern technology. These local technology are very useful and very helpful in different kinds of works like pumping water, plugging field, cooking food, making houses, constructing bridges, making ropes and so on or etc. It helps people to adapt in natural environment. They have no negative impact on environment and it is also the base for development of modern technology. These are the importance and they are so on, but also these are the important one. In the next slide, there is the common local technologies of Nepal like iron, poetry, rope bridge like twin, coal, lake water pump, Theki and Madani. I will also tell about the uses of this common local technologies of Nepal. At first, there is the iron. I'll tell its uses of iron. It is used to prepare or sharpen iron equipment. Poetry. It is used to make the natural clay into a variety of imaginable shape. Rope bridge means twin. It is used rope and box to set up a system that helps people cross rivers and streams etc. Coal. And it is another local technology that is used for extracting oil from mustard and other similar grains. Next one is lake water pump. It is used to get groundwater utilizing the power of lake. It is used to get groundwater utilizing the power of the people's lake. At the last one, Theki and Madani. It is also the most common local technology used in majority of rural houses where cow and buffalo is farmed. And it is used to extract butter from milk fat. This Theki and Madani is very popular or common local technology used in the villages. And these are the uses, different uses of local technologies of Nepal. And here is the name. If you want to learn this, then you can learn from this video. I hope you all like this presentation and video. At the last, I want to tell thank you everyone for your patience and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.